In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Wise. To get started, go to the Wise registration page. Once the page loads, the first thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. Make sure you use an email account you can access right away, because Wise will send you a confirmation message as part of the sign-up process. After entering your email, click Next. At this point, Wise will ask you to verify that the email address belongs to you. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account from being created with the wrong contact information. Now check your email inbox. Look for the message from Wise, then open it and find the option to confirm your email address. When you see the confirmation button or link, click Confirm Email Address to continue. If the message doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Once your email has been confirmed, you'll be taken back to Wise and you should see a confirmation screen. From there, click Continue. This brings you back into the account opening flow so you can finish setting things up. Next, you'll be able to continue opening your account. Click Continue again when prompted. Wise will then ask what kind of account you'd like to open today. You'll typically see two options, a personal account or a business account. Choose the option that matches how you plan to use the account. If this is for your own personal money transfers, balances, or payments, select personal account. If you're setting it up for a company or business use, select business account instead. In this example, a personal account is selected. After that, Wise will ask where you live most of the time. Select your country of residence carefully, since this can affect the features available to you and how your account is set up. Once you've chosen your country, click Continue. You'll then see a page explaining what you can do with Wise. This usually gives you a quick overview of the services available based on your location, such as sending money, holding balances, or using other account features. Take a moment to review the information so you know what to expect from your account. Finally, continue from this screen and you're done with this part of the setup. At this stage, your Wise account opening process is underway and you can move forward with any additional details Wise asks for next. And that's how to open Wise.